All right. Hello there, everybody. So today we are actually going to touch on the present simple tense. I am going to be as calm and slow as possible so that you can be able to understand the most basic concepts of the present simple tense. All right. So most of the times, this tense is confused with the present continuous tense. All right, because they kind of like, they all are the present tenses. So they kind of like, confuse not so well versed or, not so students with a very good level English. All right, especially the beginners. So if you're A1 and A2, you might have had some confusion when it comes to the use of the present simple tense. All right. So let's first start with the usage. When do we use the present continuous? So when I'm in class and I teach my students, I always try to tell them the meaning of the present simple tense. It's mostly about facts. It also talks about activities that are always happening or activities that are on a routine form. Right? So the present simple tense is a tense or a grammatical usage that is mostly talking about routines which are happening right now. Or it's also a tense that is used to talk about something which happens every time. So with my young learners, I always tell them this is, an every time tense. All right? Or it's an everyday tense, meaning that it's something that you do every day on a routine or something that happens on a daily basis or on a routine mode that is actually forcing you to use the present simple tense. All right. So with this said and done, now we can go and talk about some of the key words. The words that when you see, you're actually going to think like, well, yeah, this is a present simple tense. Are they going to denote, or which words, when we see, are we going to be in the view that this is really the present simple tense? Here we are. When you see the word always, when you see the word often, never, ever, usually, every time, every day, every morning, or simply, when you see the word every plus a time word, when you see the word regularly, then these words will definitely let you know that this is a present simple tense. All right, so in the next lesson, we are going to look at the basic structure of the present simple tense. Okay, I can't wait to see you in the next one. Cheers.